Viewers, starting this bulletin with a controversy that Tejasvi Yadav has sparked with his remark calling Himanta Biswa Sarma the Chinese version of Yogi Adityanath. The BJP has hit back, accusing Tejasvi of harboring a racist mentality. The comment has ignited a political firestorm with both sides engaging in a war of words. Remember, this is coming after the Assam government's move to annul the break in Friday assembly for the recital of namaz for Muslim legislators. Himanta Biswa Sarma called it a productive move for the assembly. Let's listen into some reactions.
तो योगी आदित्यनाथ इंडियन वर्शन है ना, जितना ज्ञान रहेगा उतना ही बोलेंगे ना, इसलिए तुम्हें बोला ना भाषा की मर्यादा है ना संयम है। क्यों? क्योंकि पढ़े लिखे नहीं है। तो चाइनीज क्या होता है, भारतीय क्या होता है, इसका फर्क कहाँ से करेंगे?
Tejasvi Yadav has also reiterated on the fact that how Himanta Biswa Sarma's movements and activities in the state of Assam are anti-Muslim, and he has called these tactics as cheap tactics, as well as he has termed him as a Chinese version of Yogi Adityanath. What do you have to say about that?
You know, Himanta Biswa Sarma has terminated the 2 hours vacation during the on Friday. It was started during the colonial period by the Muslim League leaders when Muslim League were dominating in Assam, Bengal. I think if such traits given patronage by the state, that creates the communal sentiments and communal division, then every religion would ask for a particular day some hours leave for their followers. It can't be possible in a secular state. For your religion is a personal matter, and it should not be politicized, and it should not be mixed with the public activities. Therefore, the action taken by Himanta Biswa Sarma is in the interest of the liberal democracy of the country, and it is in consonance with the India's constitution.
And moving on, viewers, now, while attending the National Conference of the District Judiciary in the national capital, Prime Minister Modi addressed the issue of women's safety and security in the country. He said that there are growing cases of atrocities against women and children, and we need to make sure laws against such crimes are addressed and adhered to. The statements come in the wake of protests against the rape and murder of the trainee doctor in Kolkata and other cases that are emanating from different parts of the country. Also, to take a note of the Mednipur Medical College case where women doctors were made to dance as male doctors watched them drunk. Let's first listen in to the statement from the Prime Minister.
न्याय संहिता की सोच नागरिकों को सजा देगा, यही एकमात्र नहीं है, लेकिन नागरिकों को सुरक्षा देना भी है। इसलिए एक और महिलाओं और बच्चों के खिलाफ होने वाले अपराधों पर सख्त कानून बने हैं। दूसरी ओर पहली बार मामूली अपराधों में सजा के तौर पर कम्युनिटी सर्विस का प्रावधान किया गया है। भारतीय साक्ष्य अधिनियम के तहत सबूत के तौर पर इलेक्ट्रॉनिक और डिजिटल रिकॉर्ड को भी मान्यता मिली है।